you ready to become a princess? This is a big deal, Regan. Let's go.
On there while we're working. I do not want to accidentally make it blue or make it pink and change its color like Aurora's fairies did with her dress. I want to leave it yellow just like that. And then the very best place for a princess to get her hair done is at the tippy top of Rapunzel's tower. So I'm going to fly you there up like a magic carpet ride with Jasmine till we reach the tippy top. Super tall. One of my jingle hoppers here where we're going to start to comb through your hair to make sure we get out any tingle tangles first before we start to make our beautiful, truly princess bun. Do you remember which princess used the dingle hopper in her hair?
Do you remember?
It is our princess who lives under the sea.
Who's that?
Ariel, that's exactly right. You see? And have you gotten to meet any characters around the ship yet? No, not yet.
Yes, you did.
Who have we gotten to meet?
Did we meet Minnie Mouse?
Yeah.
Who else? Who did we meet when we first got on the ship and when they were outside? Do you remember? There were two of them?
Chip and Dale.
Yeah.
Chip and Dale too. Very cool. Do you have a favorite character out of Mickey and his friends?
Who's your favorite?
Mickey.
Mickey. I love Mickey too. And do you have a favorite princess?
Who's your favorite princess?
Bells.
Belle's your favorite? Is that why you chose to wear a Belle dress today?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Excited?
Diamonds here from our friends, the Seven Dwarfs. Which one do you want to place onto your cheek today? The bow? Yeah, that's a great choice, princess.
How many times? One.
Look at Mama. Wow. It's wonderful.
Now, princess, it is time for my favorite part. It is time for me to grant you a special wish and fill your hair with lots and lots of pixie dust. Now, before I grant your wish, I do have 3 little rules I have to tell you about wish making, okay? Rule number 1 is we can only make 1 wish today. So no wishing for more wishes, okay? Rule number 2, you cannot wish to fly. Because I want you to stay here on the ship with us and enjoy the rest of your cruise. I do not want you to fly away. Now, rule number 3 is our most important rule of all. It's that you can never, ever wish to be beautiful. Do you know why? No, it's because you're already beautiful, princess. So we don't want you to waste your wish because it's already true. Now, princess, could you help me out by holding onto my magic mirror? Perfect. Lean it straight back to your forehead just like so and close your eyes. Beautiful. Stay just like that for me. Keep your eyes closed and make a big wish. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, a beautiful princess I make you. To make all of your dreams and wishes come true. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo. Oh my goodness, princess, you're so sparkly. I think you have made the most magical wish ever. Now, I think you're looking way too beautiful and sparkly for this paper necklace and cape, so we need to let it go like Elsa. But stay in your chair because I do have a special princess present.
Sit up straight a little bit. There you go, Bear.
As a big thank you for coming, I want to present you with your very own princess sash. Would you like to wear this now? Yes, of course. This way everyone will know you are our newest princess on board. Now Now can you stick your arms through on that side for me, Princess? Amazing. Now, Princess, you're looking so beautiful. I think it's the perfect moment to pose you for a royal portrait for your queen here. So I'm gonna teach you how to properly pose like a princess. We're gonna cross one of our feet over the other. We're gonna put our hands on our lap, 1 and 2. Show off our sparkly nails, and you're gonna give your royal queen a big, beautiful princess smile.
Okay, look at Mama. Regan, look at Mama. Say princess.